Yes, I really did just post that. Oh, it was amazing. Yes, well, that was me getting really bored, and that was amazing. I didn't know I could do that. It was really cool. Anyway, so I have not updated video in ever. It's like ever ago. But anyway, and you know, my hair's gotten a lot longer since then. You probably can't see it. So pale. God, I look like I'm chocolate. Okay. Take off my sweater. See, now you can see my red shirt. Now it looks like I have some color. There. See, and then just black head floating around. But yes. So, no. That was an amazing clip. I did not know my voice could do that. Anyway, so it was in Naruto and Sasuke. Yowiness. Yes, I've read a lot of yaoi since then. It's not just the whole, I don't know, yowiness. Now it's the whole over yowiness. Now I search everything for yaoi, any kind of anime that I like. And that's taken a very long time. But now I've expanded my anime amazingness from Naruto to Bleach to Inuyasha, which I love, and Kagome bothers me. And she really does, just like Sakura. It's like there's one stupid chick everywhere that they have to keep alive, and they bother me. Anyway, so I guess that's really not smart coming from me. Anyway, so just a little sad comment in this. We're off to the sad right now. Ooh, shell. There. Yes. Side comment. My girlfriend and I, yes, I have a girlfriend now. I've also moved. I moved from Indiana to Seattle. I live in the city now. Here's the outside of my window. I'm sitting in the kitchen right now. Can you see anything at all? Probably not. Well,